Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, today I have yet another edition of what is in my flyers this week, but of course more specifically whether or not there's any coupons or inserts in my flyers. So I'm not showing the flyers because I've gone through them fairly quickly, and yes, there was an insert. It's a P&G Brand Saver insert. And let me go through with you quickly what's inside. So watch out for your flyers. This actually came in my Friday night's flyers. Today is Monday. So last week's, a lot of people receive them a week later. Some receive a week sooner. So keep an eye on that. So again, it is P&G. It's up to $36 in savings. So let's quickly peruse and see what we have in here. So on the very first page, we have save $3 when you buy any 2 Tide, Gain, Downy, or Bounce products. Really like this coupon. You can get virtually free Tide Pods with this coupon in conjunction with Checkout 51. However, keep in mind, I should mention that Checkout 51 doesn't let you combine coupons, so one or the other. So this is a great coupon. Save $2 when you buy any 1 Tide Pods, Gain Flings, or Tide Pure Clean Gain, etc., etc. So really like this one. Actually, this one is the best because it's a higher value, because here you have to buy any 2 and this is any 1. Moving forward, we have a save $3 when you buy any 1 Cascade tub product or any 1 Swiffer starter kit. We have save $1 when you buy any 1 Swiffer refill or 1 Febreze Mr. Clean or Dawn product. Moving on, we have save 50 cents on any 1 Charmin toilet paper. Save 50 cents on Bounty. Save $3 when you buy any 1 Pampers Pure Protection diapers. Save $3 when you buy any 1 Pampers Aqua Pure wipes. We have some advertisement over there. Speaking of Checkout 51, well, there you go. Exactly what I was talking about. So if you're not currently on Checkout 51, I highly recommend that you sign up. So there you have it, because again, these are products that you'd be purchasing anyways, and here's a quick way to show you how you download and access the app. Moving on, we have some Crest. Save $10 when you buy any 1 Oral-B Professional Series rechargeable electronic toothbrush. Save $3.50 when you buy any 3 Crest or Oral-B products. Again, this coupon will give you free Crest toothpaste when they're on sale. They usually go on sale at No Frills, the Real Canadian Superstore, for 99 cents, $1. So you will get those free. Save $5 when you buy any 1 Always Discreet underwear. Save $2 when you buy any 1 Always Discreet liner. And that is it. But along with this exciting news, there's also some not so great news with the P&G Brand Saver insert. So it says here, print at home, save in store. So just to give you a quick note, to our valued customers, please be advised that the Brand Saver coupon booklet will no longer be in distribution beginning September 2018. No need to worry, as you can continue to save on all your favorite P&G brands by visiting the digital Brand Saver section of pngeveryday.ca/coupons, where new coupons will be available regularly. Saving with printable coupons is easy. So it gives you the instructions. You log in or register, pick your coupons, print, save in store. So unfortunately, for those that do not have printers, unfortunately this will no longer be available, but you can always print at a library. Hopefully your workplace allows you to print, whatever the case may be. This will probably be the last edition. As of September 2018, they will no longer be available. So Boo-hoo PNG brand saver, which means we'll now have to use more paper, more ink. So we will try to save, but we have to spend a little bit more to save. That being said, that was a review of the PNG brand saver insert this time around. Let me know down below if you received it. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.